Hello everyone, welcome to my website and to whom is watching me on YouTube. I will leave a link to my QR code generator. This is a simple demonstration on how to use my QR code generator. So it's very simple. You have options to create a QR code for your website, for a link, website, link to website, link to anything in URL. And you can create a QR code for a phone number, for a text message, for an email, for Wi-Fi, vCard, and WhatsApp number. So it's very simple. Like if you want to have a QR code for this link, you can paste it here. This is a link to my this website, and you can just press generate QR code. You will get the QR code like this. When you press download, it will come to your downloads. And if you want it transparent, completely transparent, even from this white, it will come like this, and you can download it as well. Again, you can choose the colors as well. You have all the colors you wish to use. You can generate, you will get it colored. You can see it here, colored transparent. So everyone can scan this one. When scan this image, you can go to directly to the link or the website you're using. Also to WhatsApp, it gives direct access to a message, so no need to save a number or save it if you're like using speed business. Like if you want to speed how the process is happening, just no time for saving numbers and these things. You can just put your number here and just generate QR code. You will get the QR code for the number and print it somewhere. Everyone scan it, can have direct access to your WhatsApp. For Wi-Fi, if you're a coffee shop or if you're a hotel, you want to give access to your clients to the website, to the Wi-Fi. Put the Wi-Fi name here and password, and generate it. You can have it. Also, vCard. You can put your name, number, and email. For your information, more information you have it on your QR code, the more bigger and complicated it will be. So the more text you will put in the QR code, the more complicated you will have it. See, you need, like if it's more complicated, you need a bigger print of it to scan it very well. Let's go back. This is how it works. We wish your support. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to us. If you're on our website, don't forget to share it with your colleagues, friends. They can pin it, put it on somewhere, and keep it for future use. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again on our website.